just got stuck in a loo. Okay guys, this is it. It's travel day and we're about to pack the car. Hopefully all the suitcases will get in the car. If it doesn't, we've got a problem. 4 big suitcases into my new Tucson. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we're all ready to go. So we'll see you soon. Bye.
I've been sitting there for ages on the M50. Stuck in traffic.
Just parking the car. There she is. Not yet. Tomorrow. We're in Birmingham and it's raining. I want to go to the Dominican Republic. Okay, just checked in. We're going to go up to a room. We've got a room card 516. I wonder if you've got a view of the airport runway. We'll have a little look now from our room. But yeah, it's all alright. So far, so good. Smells really clean. We're in the airport now, day before flight, and we've come over to pick up our currency from TravelX, which we'd booked. Better rate doing it this way, and this is basically airport side and not obviously security side, so not bad. We're going to get some currency now. There's nothing here to eat apart from, no restaurants apart from Cafe Nero, Greg's and Costa. So if you wanted somewhere to eat, you're going to have to go somewhere else off airport. But yeah, this is where we are. Okay, so what we didn't realise was that we can jump on a monorail and go to the NEC, where we believe there's more restaurants. We're going to have a little look now, so we'll let you know.
Please hold on. We are about to depart for Birmingham Airport Station for rail, local bus services and the NEC.
So we're heading towards the resort world. Down here somewhere where there's loads of restaurants. So we'll see what's here now. There's a nice climbing centre, but there's a climbing frame. Look at that. Oh, the sun's coming out.
Hello everyone, we've just been out for a couple of beers and some food. There's the gang there. Hello there gang. We're now on the monorail going back to the hotel. And yeah, it's there we go. Right guys, for you to understand what's going on here, we're on the monorail coming back from the, where we were to, gang? The resort world, where all the restaurants are. And it's free. Travel day!
So Hilton, that orange building, terminal there. Really close guys, it's a good location to stay overnight, ready for your early morning flight. Well, it's not early now, but nice. Punta Cana, come on. Hello there. How are you? Good, good. Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Just coming into land shortly now, so we can send in. How long we got left? 38 minutes, so we're starting to drop it out. Won't be long. See you soon. It's a bit bouncy coming in, but it is fun. We're trying to avoid the thunderstorm, I think. It's freezing! It's freezing! For an airport, guys. This is what you call an airport. Sorry, but we got a queue now. Going from bags. Thank you guys, what should we do? Yeah, 2 or 3 weeks, you enjoy now. Ta-da.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm excellent. What about you, sir? Can I check your last night reservation?
Evans. Sean Evans.
Evans. 2 people, 1 room.
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's nice. Oh, whatever. the roadworks, but I needed to do it, didn't I? Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes.